Assalamu alaikum. So today I will discuss chapter number 4. Look over here. So today I will discuss this chapter number 4. Chapter number 4. Application of derivative. Okay. Maximum and minimum values. So number 1 here, absolute maximum and minimum. Okay. So see the definition first. Let me define this. Logarithmic differentiation I will discuss after some time. Okay. First you see this, right? Abdul Wahid, I will discuss this logarithmic differentiation, but after some time, right? First, you see this chapter number 4. See the definition. A function f has an absolute maximum at this point C if f of c greater than or equal to fx for all x in the domain of f. Okay. The number fc is called the maximum value of function f on domain of f. Similarly, a function f has an absolute minimum at this number c if f of c less than or equal to fx for all x in the domain of f. The number fc is called the minimum value of function f on domain of f. The maximum and minimum values of function f are called extreme values. Okay, maximum and minimum values together called these extreme values. Okay, extreme values, right? Now see the definition number 2, local maximum and minimum. A function f has an local maximum or relative maximum at number c if f of c greater than or equal to fx for all x in some open interval containing c. Similarly, a function f has an local minimum or relative minimum at number c if f of c is less than or equal to fx for all x in some open interval containing c, right? Okay, I will give you a revision, but not now. Now see this. Let this example come to this point. Direct critical number. See this one. Critical number. This number 3. Okay. This is very important point. Critical number. Okay. See the definition of critical number. A critical number of a function f is a number c in the domain of f such that either f dash c equal to 0. At this number c, either f equal to f dash c, derivative of function at this number c equal to 0, or f dash c, derivative of function at this number does not exist. Okay. A critical number of a function f is a number c in the domain of f such that either f dash c equal to 0 or f dash c does not exist. Okay. So see this definition, critical number. Now see how to find the critical number. Let me start from this example. Let me start from this example. Here is find the critical points. Critical number or critical point, same thing. Find the critical points of fx equal to this x power 3 minus 3x plus 1. This is the function. You have to find critical number. Okay. So let me start from here. Function is this. See this example. This is the function fx equal to x power 3 minus 3x plus 1. This is function. You have to find critical number. Okay. You have to find critical number. Find critical number. Find critical number. This is the question. See the solution, how to find critical number. Okay, so this fx equal to x power 3, this is function x power 3 minus 3x plus 1, right? It is a polynomial, okay? So it is differentiable everywhere, okay? Polynomial is differentiable everywhere, right? Now look how to find the critical number here. So for the critical number, first you find derivative, first derivative. This one, f dash x. F dash x equal to d by dx of this x power 3 minus 3x plus 1. Okay, and this equal to what? Derivative tafadul x power 3 come 3x square, you know this, and minus derivative of talata x, talata number, so talata here, and there tafadul x is 1. Okay, and plus derivative of this number wahid, this is 0. Okay, this is 0. So f dash x equal to 3x square and minus 3, right? This is the derivative of this function. So first you find this derivative f dash x, and number 2, for critical number, what you do, take this f dash x, this tafadul, take this equal to 0. Okay, take this equal to 0 and solve, hal. How to solve this? This implies what? This f dash x, take this f dash x equal to 0. Okay, it means what? This talata x tarbiya minus 3 equal to 0, other 0. Now solve this. How to solve? Look here. Simplify talata x tarbiya in a salib talata, seal yamin, other talata. Okay, and this implies this talata x tarbiya. Here talata mawjud, taksim talata, and here taksim talata. Okay, so this talata cancel, and here come is equal to 1. So this implies what? X tarbiya equal to 1, right? What is x? This, what is x? X equal to, here tarbiya mawjud. So when this tarbiya delete, x equal to tarbiya delete, then seal hina plus and minus 2 number, and here jadar 1. Okay, this equal to plus and minus jadar 1 yani 1. Okay, so there are 2 numbers, x equal to minus 1 and x equal to plus 1. These are 2 critical numbers. critical numbers. Okay, so these 2 points are critical numbers, -1 and +1, right? So this way you will find critical numbers. Okay, so if you have any function polynomial like that, then if question is this, find critical number, then what you will do? First you take tafadul, this one, and by then this tafadul equal 0, and by then hal, you will get the numbers. That numbers are critical numbers, right? Now come here. Any question here? If their power we take minus n plus 2, remove the power. Yes, yes. Here like that, look, here this equal to, suppose if here you have x tarbiyya equal to 4, okay, then how to find x? This power, delete this power, tarbiyya. So take here plus and minus. Okay, tarbiyya yani 2 solution easy. Tarbiyya yani 2 solution easy all the time. Okay, so plus and minus and seal hina the other 4 this way. This all come plus and minus 2. These 2 numbers, 1 plus and 1 minus 2 this way. X equal to this way. Okay, so remember this way. You have to solve. So here x equal to x tarbiyya equal to plus 1. So you will take x equal to plus and minus the other one this way, right? Okay. Now come to this point. Now see this point. The closed interval method, this one. The closed interval method to find absolute maximum and absolute minimum, right? Yes, only power 2. Okay. See this theorem first. Fermat's theorem, critical number. If function f has a local maximum or local minimum at number c, then this c is a critical number, okay, of f. Okay, if any function has local maximum or local minimum at this number c, then this number c is a critical number. Okay, this is Fermat's theorem. Now see this point. The closed interval method to find absolute maximum and absolute minimum value. Okay, so this is the method. Look over here. The closed interval method to find the absolute maximum and minimum values of a continuous function f on a closed interval AB. What to do? Number one, find the values of function f at the critical numbers of f in AB, okay, in open interval AB. Number two, find the values of function f at the end points of the interval. And number three, the largest of the values from steps 1 and 2 is the absolute maximum value. The smallest yani sagir of these values is the absolute minimum value. Okay, so these are the steps. So now I will explain this question. How to find the absolute maximum and minimum values of the function fx equal to x power 3 minus 3x square plus 1, where x between this -1 by 2 4. Okay, right? So by using closed interval method, let me explain this question here. How to find absolute maximum and absolute minimum value. See this question here. This I am explaining this example. Find the absolute maximum and absolute minimum values of the function. Function is this. Function equal to this x power 3 minus 3x square and plus 1. This is the function. Okay, and here interval मौजूद. See this, minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. X between here, x here, minus 1 half to 4, and function this one, function other. You have to find absolute maximum and absolute minimum value of this function. Now see the solution. Okay, so this given function is polynomial. So this polynomial is continuous everywhere. This given function is polynomial. You know, polynomial continuous everywhere. Okay, so this function fx is continuous on this interval minus 1 by 2, yani this minus 1 by 2 to 4. This is closed interval here. See this here, less than or equal to, yani closed. This interval continuous on this interval. Okay, if function continuous on this given interval, then you can use closed interval method. Okay, then by closed interval method, then by closed interval method. See, by closed interval method, what to do first? First you take this, first you find the critical number. Okay, first you find the critical number. So how to find critical number? First you take this f dash x equal to tafadul divide dx of this x power 3 minus 3x square and plus 1, this one, and this equal to what? See, tafadul x power talata yani talata x tarbiya, and minus here tafadul talata x tarbiya, this 2 and this 3, 2 the 3 yani 6, and x power 2 yani x power 2 nakis 1 yani x, and plus tafadul y yani sifar, this one. So this is f dash x equal to 3x square minus 6x, this one. Okay, 3x square minus 6, right? And this equal to what? You can write this way. See, here talata mawjood, here talata mawjood. Sitta means talata dar witnain, yani talata hina mawjood and talata hina mawjood. So seal talata rahega. Okay, x hina mawjood and x hina mawjood. Seal x bar rahi hai mushtarak. So hina kam bagi? Hina bagi x. Mean hina talata barra and wahid x mean hina barra. So wahid x bagi here and minus mean hina x barra and hina talata. Sitta yani talata dar itnain. So talata outside barra, so bagi itnain hala. So you can write this way. So f dash x, you can write this way, 3x and x minus 2, this one. Okay, now look here, what to do? For critical number, you know, for critical number what to do? You will take this f dash x equal to 0. This is Kanun. For critical number, what you do? You will do this way. F dash x equal to seal hada صفر. This implies what? This implies 3x x minus 2 equal to 0. Right? And from here 3x equal to 0 or this one x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay. After that what? After this, see from here talata x ala talata 0 ala talata. This talata cancel. And here we come here minus 2 take a mean here 2. So here come x equal to सिफर ala talata yani सिफर any number taksib any सिफर taksib any number talata arba khamsa that will be 0 and here x equal to 2. So there are two number. Okay, x equal to 0 and x equal to 2. Now tell me here x equal to 2 and x equal to 0. X equal to 0 and x equal to 2. Here मौजूद वाला माफी मौजूद 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 and here arba यानी कि इंटरवल हरा मौजूद सिफर एंड इतने हिना मौजूद in this interval. Okay, look here, you have this interval here. हरा interval हिना मौजूद in the question. Okay, closed interval here मौजूद in the question. Okay, so then find critical number. After find critical number, so these critical numbers मौजूद in this interval वल्ला माफी मौजूद belongs to this interval or not. Okay, so look here, this critical number 0, these are the critical numbers. So x is 0 मौजूद ही ना in this open interval and x equal to 2 मौजूद here in this open interval यानी सिफर यानी प्लेन this belong यानी मौजूद here in this interval. Okay, so if critical number मौजूद ही ना then seal critical number. Okay, and find this value. After that find this value. After that see this here interval is minus 1 by 2. So find this. Number 1, you find this function f of minus 1 by 2. Find 1 and here f of, take this number arba, f of 4. Find this number and after that look here this cipher critical number cipher and critical number itne मौजूद here in this interval. Then seal hada cipher f of cipher. Find this hada and f of itne find hada. Okay, look, suppose this if this critical number any critical number maafi मौजूद ही ना in this interval, then that critical number don't take that critical number. If critical number मौजूद ही ना then seal that critical number फकत, right, and find these values. So now look, f of minus 1 by 2, how to find this? First you see the function here मौजूद. Where is the function here? X power 3 minus 3x square plus 1. Function is this x power 3 just let me write function, you know this function here x power 3 minus 3x square plus 1. This is the function. So how to find? If you take x savi minus this closed interval, take this number first minus nose and this also arba. Okay, so minus nose here. So how to find this? Here x हिना मौजूद, x यानी minus nose power talata and here minus talata here and here come the minus nose power terbiya and plus 1, this one. Okay, for this function, right? So now hal hada, this equal to what? Just look, वाहिद पावर तलाता यानी वाहिद and सालिब पावर तलाता यानी सालिब, हada सालिब and वाहिद ala 2 पावर तलाता यानी तमानिया. Okay, and minus, look, in a सालिब पावर तरबिया यानी मोजब and hada सालिब मोजब दर सालिब यानी सालिब. Okay, right? So this will be, and talata dar wahid yani talata, and here itnain tarbiya yani arba, and plus wahid here. Okay, when you solve this you will get this wahid ala tamani, right? So you will get this wahid ala tamani. Now find this f of arba. So here x power talata yani arba power talata here, and minus here talata, and here arba power itne, and plus 1 is equal to what? Arba power talata yani 64, and here arba tarbiya yani 60, and 16 darb talata, just wait, yes, and 16 arba tarbiya yani 16 sittas, and darb talata yani 48, and plus 1 here is equal to how much? 17. This is 17. Okay, and now find this f of 0 yani this other 0 power talata and minus talata, here 0 power tarbiya and plus 1 is equal to 1, right? And now find f of 2. F of 2 come this one, f of 2 yani 2 power 3 and minus 3, 2 power 2 and plus 1, this one. This equal to what? 2 power 3 means 8, and minus this 2 tarbiya yani arba, and arba darb talata minus 12 and plus 1. This equal to what? 8 nakis itnas, salib arba and zayed 1 salib talata hada. Now look here, see this, see the values. Hina mawjood at this number ibnos, you get this one wahid ala tamaniya, and at this number f of arba equal to sabatas, and f of sifar equal to wahid, and f of 2 equal to salib talata hada. So now see this, and see this. Which number is Kabir and which number is Sagir? Tell me. So big value is absolute maximum and small number is absolute minimum. Okay. So here you can see 17. 17 is maximum number. Okay. 17 is maximum number. Okay. So here absolute maximum, you can write this way. Absolute maximum. Maximum where this one 17, and you will get at this number 4. So absolute maximum f of 4 equal to this 17. Are the absolute maximum. Okay, and you find at this number 4, and absolute minimum this one -3 negative. Hada wahid ala tamaniya, hada mojab, and hada mojab, hada salif. Salif yani sagir. Okay, so this is absolute. Ismal wahid ala tamaniya wala mani wahid ala tamaniya mojab and salif talata salif. Salif yani sagir. Okay, so absolute minimum this at this number f of 2 1 to this one salif talata. Hada absolute minimum. Hada sagir minimum. Okay, and hada kabir maximum. Okay, so minimum easy at this number itnain. Okay, and maximum easy at this number arba. Okay, so this way you will find. Now see another question. See this example. Find absolute maximum and absolute minimum. Absolute minimum values of the function fx equal to 2x power 3 minus 15x square plus 36x on the interval this. Take this interval on the interval here 1 5. 1 and 5. Okay. Right. Now look over here. How to solve this? Same tarika. You have to find this absolute maximum and absolute minimum values of the function of this function fx equal to 2x power 3 minus 15x square plus 36x on the interval here, on this interval you have to find. Okay, now see the solution. What to do first? Of course this function is polynomial function. Okay, then it is differentiable everywhere. Okay, maafi mushkilat, differentiable on this interval. Okay, it is differentiable, it is continuous and differentiable everywhere. It is continuous and differentiable. Differentiable यानी तफादुल मौजूद every time. Differentiable everywhere. Okay. Now find this. Number one, what to do? Find the derivative. Yani first you find critical number. So how to find critical number? F dash x equal to find this. Same like previous question. Same like a previous question just I have discussed. Okay. 2x power 3 minus 15x power 2 and plus 36x, this one. This equal to what? Now look, derivative tafadul is 2x power 3 come. Here 3 मौजूद, here 2 मौजूद. So 3 दर 2 यानी 6. Okay. And tafadul x power तलाता कम. X power तलाता यानी इतने x तरबिया. So तलाता x तरबिया. I'm writing here direct. तलाता x तरबिया यानी तलाता दर इतने यानी 6 and x power come 2 here and minus Here come tafadul 15 x tarbiya. So here 15 ضرب 2 यानी 30 and x तरबिया तरबिया यानी इतने नाकिस वाहिद यानी x पावर 1 here 30x and plus here 36x 36 here number and the tafadul x यानी 1 this one. So f dash x equal to this 6x तरबिया and minus 13x and plus 36. هذا التفاضل. Look over here. Right? Now you have to find the critical number. How to find critical number? Take this cipher f dash x equal to 0. Okay, this implies what? هذا 6x तरबिया सालिब 13x plus 36 equal to 0. हल هذا you will find critical number. So now look, هنا 6 موجود, هذا 30 यानी 6 ضرب 5, 6 here موجود and here 36 यानी 6 ضرب 6, so 6 here موجود and 6 here موجود and 6 here موجود, so 6 सील बर्रा. तो هنا कम बागी x तरबिया and सालिब هذا 30 यानी 6 ضرب 5, so 6 बर्रा बागी 5 x and plus هذا 36 यानी 6 ضرب 6, so वाहिद 6 बर्रा वाहिद 6 बागी هنا, this equal to 0. Okay, so here तकसीम 6 x तरबिया here 5x and plus 6 तकसीम here 6 and here 0 वाला 6, so this 6 cancel, कम बागी this x तरबिया सालिब 5x and plus 6 equal to here सिफर वाला 6 यानी 0 आधा बागी. Okay, so आधा बागी x तरबिया सालिब 5x plus 6. So how to find x here? This x तरबिया सालिब 5x plus 6. Tahleel factor. Take this here, x here and x here like that, and this equal to 0. Factor this. And how to factor this? What you will write here? I explain you how to factor. Here मौजूद 6, so 6 here, and here मौजूद सालिब 5, so सालिब 5 here. Okay, so you will take this way. You will take here minus 2 दर minus 3, minus 2 दर minus 3 यानी 6, and सालिब इतनेन जमा सालिब तलाता कम सालिब 5, so here सालिब इतनेन here सालिब तलाता, so this x minus 2 equal to 0 or x minus 3 equal to 0. So mean here x equal to 2 and from here x equal to 3. So there are two numbers, x equal to 2 and x equal to 3. These two numbers are critical numbers. Critical numbers. Okay. So first you have to find critical numbers. Right? Now look over here. First you have to find critical numbers. Okay. Now look, these two critical numbers, this 2 and 3, here मौजूद वल्ला माफी मौजूद, this closed open interval this, here मौजूद वल्ला माफी मौजूद, this 2, this critical number 2 हिना मौजूद, and this 3 also हिना मौजूद. Okay, 1 here and 5 here, so 2 here and 3 here. Okay, 2 here and 3 here, so 2 and 3 more between this वाहिद and 5 here मौजूद. Okay, so 2 and 3 मौजूद यानी you will take 2, you will take 3 and you will take wahid and you will take 5 and find the value of function. Okay, now you have to find the value of function. You have to find this f of 1 equal to, okay, and you have to find f of, you take this 2, 3 wahid and 5, this interval, closed interval number all the time you will take, and mean hina you will show if critical number मौजूद here, if critical number मौजूद here then take seal, if critical number माफी मौजूद here then माफी seal. Okay, So 2 3 मौजूद here, so you will take f1 and then you will find f2 yusawi, and then you have to find f3 yusawi, and then you have to find f5 yusawi. Find these all numbers. Now see what is the function. Yes, this is rule. This is rule. Open yani here one माफी मौजूद, here khamsa माफी मौजूद, this open, but you have to see between 1 and 5. So this 2 and 3 between 1 and 5. See, hada wahid माफी, hada khamsa माफी. You have to see here करीब 1 and up to करीब 5. So 2 here मौजूद between and 3 here मौजूद between मौजूद. You have to see between 1 and 5. Okay, right? This is rule. This is closed interval method. This is closed interval method. You have to check this way, right? Now find f of 1. F of 1. Now see the function. What is function? Function is this. See, function I am writing here. Fx equal to this one. 2x power 3 minus 15x square and plus 36x. Other function. Okay, this is the function. Now you have to find f of 1. F of 1 yani x is 1 here. So here 2 the wahid power 3 and minus 15 the wahid power 2 and plus 36 the 1, and this equal to what? When you solve you will get this 23, this one. Okay, wahid power talata yani wahid and 2 the wahid yani 2, and here wahid power 2 yani wahid and 15 the wahid yani 15. Okay, so itne nakis 15 come salif 13, and here 36 the 1 yani 36. So 36 salib 13 come 23. Right? Now f of 2. Find this 2 there we have 2 power 3 minus 15 there 2 power 2 and plus 36 there 2, this one. This equal to what? This equal to, when you solve this 2 power talata yani 2 darb 2 darb 2 tamaniya, and tamaniya darb 2 yani 6, and 2 power 2 yani 4 and 15 darb 4 yani 60, and here 36 darb 2 yani 72, and after take together all you will get this 28. Now f of 3 yani 2 darb 3 power 3 and minus 15, here 3 power 2 and plus 36 and here 3. Okay, this one, and this equal to, when you will solve you will get 27. And now f of 5 here 2 the 5 power 3 minus 15 the 5 power 2 and plus 36 the 5, and this equal to 55, this one. Okay, so here I have taken the big numbers. Okay, but in the exam inshallah small numbers, sagir numbers. Okay, you will solve easily these numbers, right? So this equal to 23, 28, 27 and 55. Okay, now tell me which is kabir and which is sagir, which one is big number? So this 55 is big, and small number is this 23. Okay, so absolute maximum this f5 equal to 55. This is absolute maximum. Okay, and absolute minimum this f of 1 23. Okay, 23. So now look over here. This absolute maximum 55 easy at this number Hamsa, and absolute minimum this 23 easy at this number Wahid. Okay. So these are the absolute maximum and absolute minimum values. Okay. So in chapter number 4, there are two questions only. Find the critical numbers. One question like that, find the critical numbers, and one question is like that, find absolute maximum and absolute minimum of function on the closed interval. Okay, right? So here in chapter number 4 only two questions, right? Okay, yes. So any problem here, you have to remember the rule. For absolute maximum and absolute minimum, first you have to find critical number, and then check the critical number मौजूद in the interval वल्ला माफी मौजूद. Okay, and then find these values like that, and then you will get absolute maximum and absolute minimum on that closed interval, right? So today I will stop here. Now after chapter 4, one chapter bagi, takamul, adat tafadul, then one chapter, akhir chapter, takamul, small chapter, not big. See chapter 4 finish here. Chapter 4 finish. Chapter 4 finish in one lecture. Okay. One chapter bagi, chapter number 5, takamul, right? Which exam? अख्तबार नहाई. Me too. Check your WhatsApp number. In WhatsApp group I have written. WhatsApp group I have written. Chapter 2 after continuity, and chapter 3 up to implicit up to check there मौजूद, page number मौजूद, everything मौजूद on WhatsApp group. Check WhatsApp group. Okay. So today